If you've never tried meditation before, you should definitely give it a shot because meditation can just really transform your life for the better. Meditation can make you a more peaceful, happier, joyful person. Meditation will help you take control of your life, take control of your thoughts, take control of your mind. Meditation will reduce your levels of anxiety and fear. Meditation will allow you to finally think clearly. Meditation will allow you to witness your thoughts and choose your thoughts, let go of the thoughts that are no longer serving you. And meditation can also help you manifest your desires. And these are just a few of the many benefits of meditation. There are also health benefits and many, many, many others. And I know that if you are a beginner and somebody says the word meditation, like in your head, you immediately have this picture of people in the yoga studio, just super spiritual people doing super spiritual things. And you just feel a little bit self-conscious, a little bit overwhelmed, like you don't even know where to start. But let me tell you, you don't have to be a super spiritual yogi guru to meditate. Meditation doesn't have to be complicated. Yes, there are different kinds of meditations. There are many, many different variations of meditation, but that shouldn't overwhelm you because the essence of meditation itself, it's always the same. It is always the same. And it's about allowing yourself to fully witness the present moment and at the same time allowing yourself to experience nothingness. Meditation calms your mind, calms your thoughts, calms your body, and allows you to enter this almost like a void state of nothingness, where you are just pure consciousness, where you are just pure spirit. And this is what really can bring you this wave of inner peace and inner understanding. Because when you meditate, suddenly you realize you don't have to identify yourself with your past identity anymore. You don't have to identify yourself with your thoughts, with your limiting beliefs. Meditation allows you to witness certain parts of your being with conscious detachment. And this is really the true essence of meditation. Just allowing yourself to relax. Just allowing yourself to let go of all of this chaos in your mind. And you really don't have to be the super advanced spiritual person in order to get the benefits of meditation. Because if you're a beginner, your meditations don't have to be complicated. You can start with the simplest form of meditation and you will still get all the benefits. So let's talk about how to start meditating. So the first question, do you have to meditate every single day? I mean, if you truly want to get all of the benefits of the meditation, especially if you're a beginner, then yes, you should try to meditate every single day. Does it mean that your meditation has to be long? Does it mean that as beginner you immediately have to do like a 30-minute meditations, 40-minute meditation, an hour of meditation? No, you don't. You don't. If you're a beginner, even 5 minutes of meditation every single day can profoundly change your life and your level of happiness, your level of relaxation, your level of peace. You really don't have to meditate for an hour to get all the benefits, because if you are a beginner and you immediately just like push yourself and are like, oh, I'm gonna meditate for an hour every single day, this is the quickest way to burn out when it comes to meditation, because as the beginner you don't have this like capacity of like focus and attention and different breathing techniques and stuff like that. So really you don't need an hour meditation. You just need to kind of like very gradually introduce yourself and introduce your body to this new concept of meditation. Okay? So your first steps when it comes to meditations. Don't have to be complicated, and they certainly don't have to be overwhelming. Also, you should choose a particular part of your day and dedicate it to your meditation. So if you prefer to meditate in the morning, then meditate in the morning. If you prefer to meditate in the evening, then meditate in the evening. If you prefer to meditate in the afternoon, meditate in the afternoon. And if you prefer to meditate before you go to sleep, then meditate before you go to sleep. Just choose one time and let it be your meditating time. So don't do something like, oh, today I'm going to meditate in the morning, and today I'm going to meditate in the afternoon, and today I'm going to meditate in the evening. Because what it will do, it would just essentially make things harder for you, because you don't allow your body to just like get accustomed to one type of meditation. And when you create this habit of meditating in the particular period of your day, your body kind of like starts to expect your meditation, and just you form this habit. And when you form this habit, it's actually easier to remember that yes, you are meditating now, it's your meditation time. It's also much easier to convince yourself that meditation is actually good for you. It's something you should try. So yes, there are many different kinds of meditation available out there, but as the beginner, you really don't have to overwhelm yourself. You can choose the simplest meditation technique, and it will still work, and it will still bring you all the wonderful benefits of meditation. So you can choose a beginner's guided meditation, where a person who's like narrating a meditation and guiding a meditation is taking you throughout the process. And you can choose a meditation for a specific purpose. Like if you want to relax, you can find a relaxation meditation. If you want to let go of limiting beliefs, you can choose this kind of meditation. If you want to manifest something, you can choose a particular meditation that will help you focus on this intention. If you want to let go of fear, you can choose this kind of meditation. And just there is meditation literally for like everything, especially with guided meditations. You can really like have fun and try many different guided meditations. You can also meditate on your own. You can meditate in silence, just like witness what's going on around you, or you can meditate with the music. Just make sure it's the music that actually suits the purpose of meditation. So choose a relaxing music, a slow kind of music, a music without lyrics, a music that will allow you to actually focus on your meditation. And as I said, 5 minutes of meditation can bring you wonderful results, especially if you're a beginner. Because if you're a beginner, you don't have this capacity for like meditating for a long time. And after like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, you might start feeling discouraged and bored, and you just might lose your willingness to keep going with your meditation. So it's better to start with shorter meditations, and then as your mind and your body get more and more and more accustomed to the meditating process, then you can extend the period of your meditations. And when you meditate on your own, you can just simply focus on your breath and just like witness how your breath goes in and out of your body. You can repeat a mantra in your head. You can repeat even a positive affirmation in your head. You can just witness your thoughts, just like be a silent observer of your thoughts, and whatever comes into your mind, you just like don't attach yourself to this thought. You more like observe this, and this is how you can learn a lot about your habitual thinking patterns. So if you want to eliminate any like limiting belief or things like that, it's like doing this during your meditation, just like being the silent observer of your thoughts can be very beneficial for you. But as you can see, meditation is pretty flexible, so you can choose whatever suits you and whatever seems appealing to you, because meditation is about relaxation and about having fun at the same time. Meditation is about connecting with the deeper realms of your own consciousness. Meditation is about connecting to the divine and realizing that you're a part of the divine. Meditation is just like experiencing the beauty of the whole universe, because when you quiet your mind, you are really open to the wonders of the universe. You're really open to guidance. You're really open to these other dimensions and higher realms. And yes, even 5 minutes of meditation can give you this peace of mind. So I hope that you will give meditation a chance in your life, and you will start meditating even for 5 minutes a day. It can make such a big difference in your life. It can bring you so much peace. It can allow you to become the creator of your reality and to consciously choose your thoughts instead of allowing your thoughts to happen to you. So I hope this was helpful. And if it resonated with you in any way whatsoever, please give this a big thumbs up. And thank you for being here. Thank you for connecting. Thank you for listening.